Hey there, fellow gardeners. Ever wondered why your melon plants seem to produce a ton of male flowers, but those sweet, juicy female flowers are slow to appear? Well, today we're diving into the world of melon pruning, a powerful technique that can speed up the appearance of female flowers and boost your harvest. Melon plants, like other cucurbits, produce two types of flowers, male and female. Male flowers usually appear first on the main branches, their primary role being to provide pollen. Female flowers, which are responsible for fruit production, develop a few weeks later on the secondary branches. This natural delay between the appearance of male and female flowers is perfectly normal. However, to shorten this interval and encourage earlier fruiting, pruning is a must. Proper pruning stimulates the growth of secondary branches, which is where those all-important female flowers will grow. Here's how to prune your melon plants effectively. Cut the main stem. Begin by cutting the main stem about 10 centimeters from the base of the plant. This encourages the growth of secondary branches, where female flowers will emerge. Monitor secondary shoots. After pruning, keep an eye on the secondary shoots. These will be the branches that produce female flowers. Regular maintenance. Repeat this pruning technique regularly to maintain the plant's vigor. This practice not only speeds up flowering, but also promotes healthier growth. By implementing this pruning technique, you can gain several weeks in the growth cycle, which is particularly beneficial in regions with short summers. In my own experience, I've seen a marked improvement in the fruiting of my melons after adopting this method. Keep in mind, not all melon varieties require the same pruning techniques. Some hybrids are bred to develop female flowers earlier without special intervention. By following these pruning techniques and selecting the right varieties, you can significantly enhance the fruiting potential of your melon plants, leading to a more abundant and higher quality harvest. Remember, understanding the flowering process and applying appropriate solutions can transform your garden into a flourishing oasis of flavors. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!